Hello, good day everyone. This is Teps. Welcome back to this channel. We have a View Plus PC monitor, model MH24. It's turning on but the image is flickering. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. Flickering images often indicate an issue with the panel CKV line. It will be solved by disconnecting the CKV going to the panel to the left or the right side. Usually, a panel that has a CKV line or GOA or gate on array panel, is always have this kind of issue. We have a CKV line on this side, and this side. Let's cut the CKV lines here. The good thing about this is the CKV lines have a solderable jumper. We will only remove the solder, and the CKV line will be disconnected. Seems it is intended to just remove the solderable jumper if the CKV has an issue to the gate on array on the panel. If you cut the wrong side, you just resolder the cut gap and try the other side. It's that easy. Let's apply flux so that the gap will surely be separate. That was very easy. The gap is now separated. Let's try it. The flicker is now gone. Seems we cut the CKV on the right side. The cutting of the CKV lines procedure is very easy. Is the solderable jumper for the panel CKV lines, or is there any other purpose for it? Let's reassemble the monitor. We are currently at 5 minutes and 30 seconds into this video, and the monitor is done for the cutting of the CKV line. Without the solderable jumper we could not make it at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's complete the reassembly so we can meet the 8-minute requirement for YouTube ads, allowing the video to generate more ads. The flickering image is now gone, and it's now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. You can help this channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, this is Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.